Bro, what's going on? Like, damn, y'all don't want me to thrive.
Make sure you catch me from my good side. I think I'm ready for my close up tonight. Make sure you catch me from my good side.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Mikeyaonly, and today we're gonna be doing this makeup look. Girl, I need it right about now. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I felt a little sick yesterday and I was scared as I don't want to curse. I was scared as I feel better today. I think it was just allergies. I usually don't even deal with allergies, but mine look. I ain't got time. So I came on with a fresh face. I'm about to do my eyebrows, and I think for the look that I want to do today, I'm gonna do this eye off camera and I'll come back and show y'all. But yeah, let me get started. I'm gonna come back and, you know, we're gonna get to doing this thing. We're gonna get to doing it. Okay, y'all, got y'all back and zoomed in. So now I'm gonna start on this eye. I'm gonna go in with my concealers to prime, and I want to make sure I have a nice coverage on my eye because I want my colors to pop and I just want a subtle look. So okay, for today's colors, I am going to pop them on the screen so you guys can probably gauge the colors that you do have. I will put the products that I'm using down below in the description, so you guys make sure you go look in the description for what, you know, but I am also going to show the colors. So first, I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I want to put this all over the lid. And I do want to apply this shadow up to where my eyebrows and arch is to kind of brighten that up as well and set that in place. So next I'm going to be going in with this shade here, and I want to pop this like right into my crease a little bit and my outer V, and I just want to stamp this in. I don't want to blend it in just yet. I just want to stamp it in, and I want to bring it out close to where the tape end starts. And next I'm going to be going in with this shade here in a blending brush, and I just want to blend that color in to blend this out. So now I just want to leave it there. It's really pretty. So now I'm going to go and add me a liner. I'm going to use my concealer again, and I'm going to use the brightest concealer that I have and just pat the liner on first and connect it like that. I like to just pat it on first to help me get the shape, and I just want to thicken it up now. This is what the liner is looking like, and now I'm just going to add my shadow. So first I'm going to be going in with this blue shade, and I wanted the look to go from blue to pink and back to blue, so that's what we're going to be doing. At first I didn't know what the colors was going to come out, but you know, we just rolling with it. And I want to pop that shade out here first, right there. And then next I'm going with this blue here. So next I'm going to be going in with this shade, this purple color, and I want to blend it a little bit into that blue. Then next I'm going to take this pink shade here, and I just want to pop it right here next. Next I'm going to go in with this shade. And then now, since I got the colors placed down, I'm going to go back and blend them in. And that is it. It's really simple. So now I'm going to add a thin black liner to finish out the eye for right now, because we're going to come back to the eyes. And after I do that, we're going to zoom out so we can get started on the face. So now I zoomed you guys out. Now I'm going to go in with a little color correcting. I'm going to color correct under my eyes and, you know, well, just in my dark areas that I want to just conceal. So now that I color correct, I am going to go in with a little bit of priming, and I'm going to set that with some powder. And I'll be going in with my foundation. Y'all, I forgot to do a step. Hold up. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Okay, now that I have that blended out, I'm going to go in with my concealer to highlight, and I'm going to contour as well. And then now when I got all of that blended out, I'm going to set everything. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of bronzing and contour and a little bit of blush. I just want to do a little bit of that today. Okay, now that we're done with the face, I'm gonna go back into the eyes really quickly, and then we're gonna jump to the lips, and then we're gonna be done. So let's hop into that. I'm gonna go in with my highlighting powder, and I'm just gonna put that powder up on there. Now I'm going to take the concealer and put this under my eye. So next what I want to do is just take the same colors that I applied in order, but I want to do it in the opposite direction. So I want to go in with the blue, the lighter blue, the purple, the pink, and then the brightest pink. So into my waterline, I am going to be popping a little bit of a white liner. And when I get that color in the waterline, I'm just going to take a small brush and put this color into that white. And now that I have that blended in, I am going to apply lashes and mascara off camera. And then we're going to come back and finish the rest of this look. I don't want to do something too crazy or too bold because that liner is already the, you know, shadows are already bold. I just want to do something peaky, nude. So I'm just going to line my lip with a brown liner, and then we're going to go in with a pink lipstick. And of course I got to add some gloss. And we're going to top everything off with a setting spray to set everything. And yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I went in with my brown liner. Now I'm going to go in with a red one. And I'm going to go in with my lip color for today. And on the top of that, I'm going to add a little bit of some clear gloss. You guys, this is the completed look. I love how this look came out. This is exactly what I envisioned. You guys, let me know down below what you'd like to see next and what do you like about this look. Let's start a convo down below. And you guys, make sure you follow me on my Instagram, Mikeyaonly. And you guys have a blessed and beautiful day wherever you are. And you guys remember to love, embrace, celebrate who you are. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.